chaos because it's 7:11 and I have to leave at 7:40. I didn't even tell you guys that this week was my birthday. My birthday was on Monday. I had a really good time. My boyfriend woke me up at midnight to celebrate, and then that night, later on that night, we went out to dinner. And now it's my bowling party with some of my friends and my cousins. And I have to be there at 8 o'clock because everything's under my name, like the reservations. So I don't even have an outfit yet. And Big Dog's not even here yet, and we have to leave soon. But what I wanted to do was wear, I don't know why it's so dark right now. Whatever. I have these indigo jeans. They cuff at the bottom. I bought an indigo top from Pretty Little Thing. I have not opened the package yet. I bought this a long time ago, like before. Have you guys noticed that Pretty Little Thing rebranded and now they don't sell like Hoochie Mama stuff anymore? Not that I was buying any of that, but their tall section is really good. So I bought an indigo top. I think it's like a denim top. I think the colors match. Are these matching? Okay, they're like close enough. With the white stitching, they both have white stitching. I think this one's a little more white than this. But like, and I don't even know if it fits. I really do not have time for this. This is what happens when you don't take your birthday seriously. Now I have like 20 minutes to figure this out. All right, let's hope these jeans fit because I've never worn them. They're from ASOS. What size are they? They're an ASOS US 6. All right, let's put this on. I'm not gonna hold you. The jeans are a little tight at the waist. We gonna make it work. Okay, so the shirt fits. I should bring you guys down so you can see a little bit. So yeah, it fits. It's just wrinkly, so I'm going to iron it, I guess. And then I think I need to do like really chunky necklaces to make this look like something because it's looking a little like I look like a sailor. So I'm planning on wearing New Balances. We're going bowling. No one's gonna see my shoes for long anyway, so you gotta wear the bowling shoes. But I'm wearing these New Balances that Big Dog got me. This is one of my birthday presents. It's like denim and purple. I figured it's doing something. But I'm gonna come back after I do my hair and figure this out and catch you at the bowling. No, I'll come back and then we can go bowling. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get. Like, one day I'll have a grown and sexy birthday, but that day ain't today. I always do something fun and activity. Actually, we almost always do bowling. And I know my friends are tired, but maybe for my 40th. In how many more years? Anyway, so I ended up making the top work. Put some chains on. And then I'm wearing the New Balances to go with it. If I can get like an OOTD picture, I will put it up. But this is as good as we're gonna get. He's probably about to pull up in like 2 seconds because I just got off the phone with him. So let's go bowling.
Right now. Right here. I don't know about that. I be doing Pilates.